In front of me is AGM H6, and today I would like to show you how you can turn on or turn off auto brightness. First of all, go into settings and scroll to tap on display section available here. Now use this switcher next to adaptive brightness to turn it on or switch it off. Quick tip most people missed that you can actually tap on adaptive brightness on the left and not only manage it from here, but also read all of those informations. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!